From the crown of the nation Jammu and Kashmir, students travel to a world of opportunities at Chandigarh University, India's #1 private university, which holds limitless possibilities and where success knows no boundaries.
The scholarship offered has changed my life for good. CUCET scholarship gives access to top quality education without any financial burden. Chandigarh University is a hub of experiential learning and gives access to better career options. Thank you Chandigarh University for investing in my education and believing in my potential.
I have learned and grown a lot thanks to the vibrant campus, dedicated faculty and the art facilities here at Chandigarh University. The CUCET scholarship has motivated me to excel academically. This scholarship has paved the path for best career opportunities for me at Chandigarh University.
I feel amazing to have been awarded the CUCET scholarship. The CUCET has opened the doors for me to get the top quality education, have hands-on learning experiences, get global exposure and get the global placement opportunities. The diverse community here enables us to interact with peers from various backgrounds.
I have learned and grown a lot thanks to this vibrant campus, dedicated faculty and state-of-the-art facilities that are here at Chandigarh University. The CUCET scholarship has motivated me to excel academically. This scholarship has paved the way best career opportunities for me at Chandigarh University.
Set forth your path to success at Chandigarh University, a truly world-class institution.